How to save an appleNumbers file as a PDF. If you want to share your spreadsheet with someone who doesn't use numbers or just need a clean universal format, macos lets you export any numbers document as a PDF in seconds. So let me show you how you can do this. Firstly, we are going to open numbers, and for example, I'm going to just create one simple budget spreadsheet. And now if you want to save this as a PDF, it's really easy. You have to click on File in your top menu bar, and from this drop-down, all we have to do is we want to click on Export to, and you have a few options. You can use CSV, TSV, Excel, and PDF as well. So you want to click on PDF. This is going to open this menu. From here, you can customize how your PDF is going to look. So you have like some advanced options. You can choose your page layout. So you can use the print settings, or you can, let's say, click on fit each sheet to a single page. You can also include comments. And then you have image quality. So you can make it best, better, or good. I'm going to keep it on best. You also can add like a required password to open PDF. So you can lock it. You can also click on print setup, and you can like customize it from here however you want. So you can, let's say, fit the graph or this spreadsheet into a whole page. You can change this content size, content scale. Then you have page orientation, so you can make it on like this A4, or you can make it on this white format. And you can look through those options. You have also page margins, so you can like center the text. So you have like header, right, and etc. So if you are done, you can click again on File, Export to PDF, and just simply click on Save. Now choose the name, so let's say test for video. You can add text, you can add your destination where you want to save it. I'm gonna go with the desktop, click on Export. And this is going to export your numbers file as a PDF. You can see it on your desktop. I can open it, and this is your PDF. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.